In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to click the top left corner where you can see a drop-down menu. Click the subscription and billing. Okay, it's important to know that you must be the subscriber of the organization to cancel the subscription. If you are just a standard user or advisor, you won't see the billing options. Click the three dots icon beside the Buy Now button. What will happen is it will give you multiple options. All you have to do is click the Cancel Subscription. Xero may ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason for canceling. And before you hit the Confirm Cancellation, remember you will lose access to the organization after the billing period ends. Your data will be retained for a limited time and you won't be charged again after the current billing cycle. Once ready, I want you to click the red button to confirm the cancellation. And that's it. Your subscription is now canceled. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you cancel a subscription in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.